Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can know if someone has blocked you on Instagram or not. So it's basically very easy to know if somebody has blocked you on your Instagram or not. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our new videos. And before I show you the way on how you guys can find someone has blocked you or not, I'm gonna tell you if somebody has blocked you, then basically you guys can message them, call them, or see their post or anything. All right, so I have blocked myself using my second account. So this is the account which I have blocked myself with. So to know if somebody has blocked you or not, you can just go to their profile, and as you guys can see, I cannot see the number of post, follower, or followings of him. And if I try to follow him, it's gonna immediately unfollow again. If I try to follow him again, it's gonna immediately say follow again. So that basically happens if somebody has blocked you on your Instagram. So yeah, that's basically how easy it is. And as I told you, you can see the number of followers he have, following he has, and the numbers of photo videos he have uploaded in his Instagram. And yeah, you can also message him. Even if you message him like this, he won't be able to see it because he has blocked me. So yeah, that's basically how this block feature works, and that's basically how you guys can know if somebody has blocked you on Instagram or not. So it's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and peace out.